So let's go ahead and trigger a WebStream event using the smart contract monitor. In order for this to work, we need to provide some information. First of all, we need to define what the name of the event that we want to trigger will be. So in this case, instead of default, I'm going to call it transfer. The next thing that we need to provide is the chain ID, in this case 4690, which is IOTEX testnet. Then we need to provide a contract address, and we need to tell this monitor when to start. In this case, you usually start at the block where, for example, the contract has been deployed, and then when to end. If you, for example, put 0 here, it will keep on monitoring this block and not really have a specific block end. Then we need to provide topic 0. Topic 0 is the hash of the signature of the event that you're trying to monitor in a specific contract. And so in order to get that, you could use different online tools. For example, you could use this tool here that uses the KAKAK 256 hashing algorithm to basically give you the hash of this transfer event that we're trying to monitor. And the transfer event takes the address from, the transfer to, and the value that's been transferred, and this will be the hash. So you can just take this, copy it, put it back here, and add a 0x, and then add the rest. And now we're ready to submit, and we have created a smart contract event monitor. And so now that we have successfully created a smart contract monitoring event, what WebStream will do is that it will start monitoring this contract address starting at this block, and it will start looking for this specific topic which we defined earlier, which was the transfer event from a smart contract, from an ERC20 token, for example. And then once it finds that event being emitted, it will then emit the transfer event, the WebStream transfer event. And now, for example, in my event routing strategy, I would need to add a transfer event, which will then trigger a specific handler. So for example, here, I could go ahead and create a new transfer event, and then let's say that my handler is called transfer, and then I would submit it, and I would have then successfully implemented a smart contract monitoring strategy.